me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fat bit lust. Cause I give a way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now.